Assalamualaikum guys, how are you today? Okay guys, this time I will give you a review about one of the beautiful place in Sentul. The name is Curug Leuwi Hejo. Curug it means waterfall guys. Yeah, Leuwi actually it's like a pool. It's a small pool. So below the waterfall there is a small pool that you can swim. Okay guys, so from Jakarta to come here to Sentul, it's only take around 1.5 hours. Okay, yeah, of course if you come during weekend it will be crowded, and of course since the street quite narrow, sometimes you have to take turn with another car when there is another car from the other side. Guys, the ticket here officially is only 15,000. Okay, and then the car is 20,000. So many chalo we call it, or an official officer that try to directly direct you to an official gate, which is more expensive. Okay, so don't come there, just go to the official one. This is the only bridge I have to pass from bamboo. You have to be careful. Yeah. Okay. I think we have arrived in Leuwi Hejo now. Yeah, Widya, kayaknya Leuwi Hejo nih. I think we have arrived in Leuwi Hejo. So this is the place guys. This is the place for Leuwi Hejo. Mas sorotnya Kak. That is the waterfall, everyone. Finally we have arrived. Woohoo! This is below the bridge. Below the bridge. See all those people very happy with the nature. The water comes directly from the mountain. Wow, it's so fresh. The water is so clean, guys. I'm sure you will never regret to come to this place. With the trip 1.5 hours from Jakarta and the trekking 10 to 15 minutes to come here, it will release all of your stressful, and I'm sure you will forget your suffer when you do trekking. So that's why my suggestion to you is prepare your physique and your mental. Exercise regularly. Okay guys, on the way here sometimes there is calo, right, or unofficial officer that asking money for cleanliness, for maintenance, like that. Ignore them guys. Again, ignore them. Okay, because that is an official officer, it's not from Pemda. Yeah, sometimes they're asking for 5,000, 10,000. You can ask the ticket from them, and I'm sure they cannot provide it. Guys, I'm trying to climb up through the rock, big road there, and I failed once, and I'm keep trying, and finally I can climb up because I'm trying to jump to the pool guys. And yeah, me with my students, my wushu students, we are helping each other. I'm helping him to get up there. That's why if you want to climb up to the big stone, you have to have a partner so he or she can help you. Okay guys, this is my first jump. Success, right? You see that? And of course it's quite deep guys, 3 meters deep. So, and the second one is epic fail. Okay, please don't laugh. Ouch. Oh my god, it's like someone slapped my face in my chest guys. Okay, if you're not sure with your flip, okay, so don't do that, just do normal jump. It's so fun overall. Okay, and then we will continue to the next Curug, because in this Curug actually not just one, not just Leuwi Hejo, but there are several. Like the one that I still remember is Leuwi and then several one. Okay, I keep continue my review for this beautiful place. Okay, we will continue to the waterfall. Curug Liek, whatever. I'm just following Mbak Kay. She's on fire. She says she still wants to continue. Woohoo! Don't give up. This stairs, like our life, especially when we go to the next level, we'll be stronger. Woo! Leuwi Benjol, Curug Barong. You see this, guys? Curug Barong, Leuwi cepat, Leuwi Liek, Leuwi Baliung. So many. Off we go. Woo. Okay. Direction point. Ci Baliung, Leuwi Liek, Leuwi cepat, Curug Barong, Leuwi Benjol. Off we go. Now we get down. Kemana nih, Pak? Hah? Ini arah Hejo, ambil kanan. So kita ke. Alright, let's go. Okay, guys, still with me. So English fighter with Mbak Kay from Jakarta Belari. Mbak Kay. Mbak Kay. What do you think about this place? It's beautiful, right? What do you want to say to Bang Sandi? Say something for this tourism place.
You should come here. This is very close from Jakarta.
Very close from Jakarta. So green. If you bored with concrete jungle, so you should come here. This is the real jungle, guys. Okay, you can enjoy the view from waterfall and all of the mountains and hill here. Okay, guys. Yeah. You see all of this surrounding. Enjoy it. Come, visit.
Visit Indonesia 2002.
Bang Sandi, okay, you promised me that you have to develop this place. Okay, give the elevator for this all the way here. Oh, no elevator ya, Kak? I think this is the best place for you guys to take picture and at the same time to take rest for a while. I think this is the tip of the hill around the Sentul to go to another Curug, guys, so you can enjoy your time here. Yes. Whew. See Pak, pit stop, another pit stop, guys. If you're hungry. Oh. Okay, I think we have arrived to another Curug or waterfall. Oops, careful, Mbak. Careful. Toilet, if you need toilet here. Tapi kayaknya bisa lompat sana, Mbak ya? Okay. This is the situation in Curug or waterfall in Sentul if you come here during weekend. Okay, you cannot avoid it from crowded because this is weekend, guys. Everybody try to find a tourism place. Mbak Kay from Jakarta Belari want to have selfie first with the drone. You can see that, guys, it's quite crowded because it's weekend. Even this Leuwi is quite farther than the other Leuwi. People still coming here. You can jump to the Leuwi or to the pool, but this time no spinning because I'm a little bit afraid with the first jump. Okay guys, come and enjoy. We have to leave this place, this beautiful place, okay, because it start to rain. It start raining now, so we have to go back to our car directly as fast as we could, because I didn't bring any raincoat. Okay, one more thing that you have to prepare: raincoat. Okay, a lot of money. Shoes, don't forget shoes. Extra clothes if it's necessary, toiletries, towel, and raincoat. Okay, this is the way back. Actually, this is the same way to go back to the start line, to the start point. Bake. Guys, we stop in the local store, restaurant. Local store is a restaurant. Yeah, let's say a restaurant. Local people open pit stop here on the way to the parking lot of this Curug, this tourism place. So me with one of the famous runners from Jakarta Belari, but okay, here she enjoying noodle. Actually she don't really like this, but since she's starving, guys, she's not hungry anymore, she's starving. So because of that reinforcement, she has to buy cover noodle. Okay, noodle. So guys, I want to interview Bake for her experience to visit this beautiful place. Bake, what do you think about this noodle? UMKM Bake.
For now, this is the best noodle in this place. After you get what?
No competitor. No competitor. The only brand that you can eat here, only this. No, censor.
It's okay. We have to be proud to be Indonesian. Of me, you know.
Cintalah produk Indonesia. Okay, we are on the way home, on the way to the parking area. So sometimes on the way there, you will find another calo asking money again, or an official officer asking money again. So that's the beauty of Curug Barong Leuwi Hejo in Sentul. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell for another video.